Title of the story, Twinkle's Earthy Adventure. Twinkle was a little star who lived high up in the sky. She loved shining brightly every night, but deep down, she was curious about Earth. She often heard stories from shooting stars passing by about the trees, rivers, and all the amazing creatures below. One night, Twinkle decided she wanted to see it all for herself. With a deep breath, she closed her eyes and began to fall, slowly turning into a tiny, glowing star. Child. She landed softly in the middle of a lush forest. Twinkle's light shimmered around her as she marveled at the tall trees, the sound of rustling leaves, and the smell of fresh earth. As she wandered, she met a wise old owl named Oliver. "What brings you to our forest, little star?" he asked kindly. "I'm here to explore," Twinkle said excitedly. "I want to see all the wonders of Earth." Oliver smiled and offered to guide her. Together, they visited sparkling rivers, colorful flower fields, and bustling animal habitats. Twinkle was amazed by the fluttering butterflies, the playful squirrels, and the songs of the birds. But soon, she noticed that her light was starting to dim. "Why am I fading?" Twinkle asked Oliver, worried. "The Earth is beautiful, but it's not your home," Oliver explained gently. "You belong in the sky, where your light can shine the brightest." Twinkle realized Oliver was right. She loved the Earth, but she missed lighting up the night for everyone. With a grateful heart, she said goodbye to Oliver and all her new friends. As she returned to the sky, Twinkle's light grew brighter and brighter until she was shining even more brilliantly than before. From that night on, Twinkle shared her earthy adventures with the other stars.